So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this hyper realistic young female character, just the head and the garments. So in Photoshop, I brought the reference image into Photoshop. So we're going to try our best to kind of match the reference we have in here. So in Photoshop, I brought the image and then aligned that properly, then brought that to ZBrush, bringing the base mask to ZBrush, and then worked on the model to create something close enough to the reference we had. And I'm going to be showing you guys the tips and tricks I use for creating realistic head characters, and then work on adding intricate skin pores details all over the head of the character using external maps. Then just to bring in a bonus, I'm going to show you guys how to create a jacket from scratch inside of Marvelous Designer. And then while I'm also going to show you guys how to do retopo inside of Marvelous Designer for the garments, and then use that as a base mesh to sculpt our high quality details. And then after doing that, I'm going to show you guys how to do some additional sculpted details instead of ZBrush for the garments, and also use external alpha maps to create some interesting details on the garments. Then after that, I'm going to show you guys how to create normal maps for the head, for the garments, and for every other asset we have in here. Also displacement map and every other necessary map we need. Then bringing this into Substance Painter, I'm going to show you guys how to texture these garments instead of Substance Painter, both the jacket and the inner shirts, and show you guys how to export that also from scratch. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to texture a character from scratch inside of Substance Painter. Everything is from scratch. I'm going to show you guys the entire process, no steps missed. So I'm going to show you guys texture two variations of the skin texture, as you can see. Then I'm also going to show you guys how to export all of these textures. Then in Maya, I'm also going to be showing you guys how to work with XGen to create long hair for your character, creating guys, and then generating hair on top of that, and then working with modifiers for creating the hair and making it look more interesting. Okay, I'm also going to be showing you guys some of the keynotes I keep in mind while working with modifiers inside of XGen, and also creating stray hairs inside of XGen, and just showing you guys the tips and tricks to do that. I'm also going to be showing you guys the look development for bringing in all our maps from external software like ZBrush and Substance Painter, and then look development and lighting for the character. I'm going to show you guys how to do your final renders and test renders with the look development for the XGen airs also. So this is going to be a full tutorial where I show you guys the tips and tricks and everything I do from start to finish to create this realistic looking female head character. I just hope after watching this video you can learn a few things from my process on how I create this really interesting young female realistic character from scratch. So I can't wait to get started. So see you guys in the tutorial. Bye for now.